What's up, my fellow bat fans? If you're a 3D printer like me, or you aspire to be, let me show you some of the tools you're going to need to maintain your printer. Firstly, you're going to need a scale because every print requires filament, and it's really nice to know how much you have left on the spool for your project. A great way to use your scale is to use an empty spool. With the empty spool on, zero out your scale first, take off the empty spool, and then lay down the actual spool you're working with. So now you can see I have 359 grams, which is plenty because I'm only going to need maybe 20 just to finish this project. These are the tools I most frequently use to repair my printer. I use these tools, which came with my 3D printer, and some pliers to help me change out the nozzle tips. Speaking of nozzle tips, I always have extras on hand, and usually when you buy extras they come with a nozzle cleaner just to help you unclog it real quick. I also use a set of these clippers, one for filament and one for boating tubing. This piece of magazine paper that came with my 3D printer also serves as a great reference for when I'm trying to level my bed. All these tools, plus a few others, I keep in my tackle box, along with some spare parts just in case. And finally, I use just a little bit of rubbing alcohol to wipe down my bed after each print. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and follow, and if you have any more questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them as best as I can.